India, a land of timeless traditions, spiritual fervor, and extraordinary gatherings. Imagine millions of people coming together in one of the most extraordinary rituals on earth, the Mahakumbh Mela. Today, we'll take a deep dive into this awe inspiring event, its historical background, its significance, its roots, and what it means for the world. Whether you heard it before or you're hearing about this for the first time, join me in this journey today that will leave you inspired. Let's jump in.
Let's go.
The Mahakumbh Mela, often regarded as the largest peace gathering on earth, occurs every 12 years. This year, Prayagraj, the confluence of three sacred rivers, the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mystical Saraswati, is hosting this grand spiritual festival. But what makes this event so significant? Why do millions of devotees, saints, and seekers from all over the world come together for this sacred occasion? The answer lies in its history, mythology, and the deep spiritual connection it offers to every individual. To understand the essence of Mahakumbh Mela, we need to go back thousands of years to the story of the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean. According to Hindu mythology, the gods and demons churned the ocean to obtain Amrita, the nectar of immortality. A fierce battle ensued, and during the struggle, 4 drops of nectar fell at Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These places became sacred, and the Kumbh Mela was born. The term Kumbh refers to a pot, symbolizing the pot of nectar, and Mela means fair or gathering. The Mahakumbh Mela at Prayagraj, the largest of all, celebrates this divine legend. At its core, the Mahakumbh Mela is about purification and renewal. Hindus believe that bathing in the holy rivers during the Mela cleanses one's sins and paves the way for liberation of or moksha. The event attracts not only ordinary devotees but also saints, monks, and yogis who come to perform rituals, offering prayers, and sharing wisdom. The Mela embodies the idea of connecting with the divine, transcending worldly concerns, and focusing on the ultimate goal of life, spiritual enlightenment. And it's not just about bathing. The Mahakumbh offers an immersive spiritual experience. Satsangs, spiritual discourses, devotional music, yoga sessions, and a sense of community that unites millions under one spiritual umbrella. The roots of Mahakumbh Mela can be traced back thousands of years. Ancient texts like the Rig Veda, Mahabharata, and Puranas mention river festivals, signifying the importance of water and purification in Vedic traditions. Over time, the Mela evolved, becoming a structured gathering under royal patronage during the medieval times. Mughal Emperor Akbar referred to the confluence at Prayagraj as a place of significance, which later led to it being named Allahabad, now renamed back to Prayagraj. Fast forward to today, the Mahakumbh Mela isn't just a spiritual event. It's a global phenomenon recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. It's a blend of ancient traditions and modern logistics. The Mahakumbh Mela is a spectacle. The sprawling tents, the chanting of hymns, the aroma of incense, and the colorful attire of the pilgrims. It's a sensory overload that captivates everyone. Devotees throng to the ghats for ritualistic baths, while others visit the akhada, camps of ascetics who demonstrate their spiritual practices, including yoga, meditation, and even feats of endurance. What stands out is the inclusivity of the event, from saints to tourists, from scholars to street vendors. The Mela becomes a melting point of cultures and ideologies. In today's world, the Mahakumbh Mela reflects more than spirituality. It showcases India's ability to manage mega events, emphasizing crowd control, technology integration, and sustainability. From digital registration to eco-friendly practices, the 2025 Mahakumbh demonstrates how ancient traditions can coexist with modern innovations. But challenges remain: managing millions of pilgrims, ensuring hygiene, and balancing religious sentiments with ecological concerns require meticulous planning and execution. Yet the dedication of the organizers and the faith of the devotees make it all possible. The Mahakumbh Mela is no longer just an Indian event. Tourists, journalists, and spiritual seekers from across the globe participate, curious to witness this unparalleled gathering. The Mela symbolizes unity in diversity, showing the world how faith and tradition can bring people together. The Mahakumbh Mela is not just about mythology or rituals, it's about hope, faith, and the human spirit. It reminds us that in a fast paced world, pausing to reflect on our spiritual journey can be transformative. So, whether you're seeking spiritual cleansing, cultural immersion, or simply a sense of wonder, the Mahakumbh Mela has something to offer. As we conclude, I leave you with a question: what can you learn from an event that brings millions together in harmony? Think about it. Video inspired you today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's keep looking at and delving deep into some of these awe-inspiring traditions all over the world that makes this earth so fascinating. Till the next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay unstoppable.